Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel, Kemari Reaction. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for coming back. So I'm back today, guys, with another recommendation to another artist. Hopefully I'm saying it right. Joaquín Bondoni. Joaquín Bondoni. Why did that name sound so familiar? Hopefully it's someone I know. Or heard of, sorry, not know, someone have heard of or seen before. But this is a music video to his song Black. So not Black is King, but Black. Ooh, come through, curls. He's an actor too? Try to put his acting skills to the test. Oh, we came a long way to go to digital. Oh, that was a nice transition. Oh, he's part of the LGBTQIA+. Fuego. That means fire, I think. Oh, come through! Yes! Okay, WandaVision. Oh, he got faith. And black. Okay. Oh, that was nice. Is he voguing? Come on. I love those lights. Excuse me. Hey, come through with a face. Ugh, that was good. That was good. That's good. Joaquín Bondoni. Bondoni. Joaquin. Hope I'm pronouncing it right. That was the song Black. I like his style. You know, I don't remember the song that Miley Cyrus did, but she performed that song at the VMAs last year. That genre, that 1980s feel to it, like with a disco ball feel. I think I would like to hear a song like that from him. This, I'm intrigued. I'm intrigued. So thanks for the ones who recommend me to react to this person. Never heard of him. React to this person, but as part of the LGBTQIA plus community, yes. But yes, I would like him to give me like a genre. This song reminds me of that music video, but I think that. Go ahead, sir. Go ahead. But there's another LGBTQ singer that everyone's love to talk about. Travis, Troy, something. I was like, who are you guys talking about? But they refused to send me they did not refuse, but they didn't send me the link yet. But for everybody else, I really do appreciate it. Whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. And I will get to it as soon as possible. Believe me, give me time, but I will get there. As always, I will say this over and over, who can do you besides you? Because you're like all these other YouTubers say, there's only one you. Bye.